Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, inshallah, I will talk about one of the book reviews as a part of product management for master program. The book for today is named The Product Manager's Handbook, second edition by Linda Grocheis. The author claims that the book is a complete product management resource, and inshallah, today we will have a small introduction about the book, and also we will have the cons and pros for the book and my personal opinion on it. As I mentioned, as a part of the introduction, we will talk about the book structure, and also we will have like main point as a book summary. First of all, we will talk about the book structure. The book is divided into four main sections, and these four main sections include 14 subsections. The first part is focusing on the role of operation of product management and the product manager, and it's like kind of giving holistic overview about the role itself. It's defining the role and giving a high level of like introduction about the role. The second part two, is talking about planning skills for product manager. Is like how to plan and forecast for the product. And it's like supply and demand planning. And in the part three is talking about the product skills, how to elevate and add value to the products. And in the part four is talking about functional skills and how the product manager can interact with other functions like sales and marketing and development team and so on. Actually, the book is like targeting existing product managers and customer segment managers, so it's not targeting the potential product managers, since the book has a lot of real practical examples. Also, the book is has multi different approaches to product management for different type of organizations. There is like kind of different approaches when a product manager working on, for example, regional distribution organization, or functional organization, or matrix organization. All of these type require a different approach to manage the product in the market. Also, like the book is we will give like a good insights for developing annual marketing plan for product and services. It will help the product manager to know the capacity and the forecasted capacity for each product. Also, it's talk about a little bit about the portfolio management and how to make a portfolio out of a product in a profit and P&L and the profit margin. Also, is talking about various ways to add value for a product and effectiveness of a product manager, which is actually very good and very uh, very niche يعني in term of a product manager, but is not يعني focusing a lot on the value, how to drive value on a product itself, but it more focus on how to add value to a product manager, since it has a lot of the book has a lot of very good guidance in term of checklist, in term of tables and form. And now I will discuss about. I like this book because the book is giving a lot of information about how a product manager can interact with other functions such as sales and marketing teams, and also development and manufacturing team. We know, like in agile and dynamic environment, if we use a Scrum approach, let's say we are using a Scrum approach, it will be very important and very crucial for the product manager to interact with all of these functions without any problem with them, because any like misunderstanding or any miscommunication might delay the product and might have a bad effect on the product. Also, the book include many case studies for different companies, which is like a real example for each type or each section of the book, such as Zara case study and Toyota case study. Also, the book is provide a lot of checklists, as I mentioned before, for each subsection to ensure all steps can be applied practically. So it's like a practical. The book is like more practical guide. Also, the book is providing a lot of forms and tables to explain the idea. So it's not only focusing in theory. The book is trying to focus how to make things happen on the ground. Actually, there is some point of improvements in this book. The first point is the book is focusing mainly on existing product and is not focusing on development of a new product or a new service. Uh, uh, so in the book is not it's not focusing on the development process and how many like approaches of development process, what are the cons and pros for each uh, process, as we mentioned in the class. Also, the book does not focus on identifying customer needs and how to satisfy customer needs in different ways. It's only just mentioning like you need to focus on a customer need. Is not focusing on how to get the how to understand your customer needs, such as surveys and looking for a benchmark for other products and looking for feedback from the customer, from your competitor, and from about your product. Also, the book does not include any room for innovation and creativity. So maybe that's why it's not focusing on developing a product. Is focusing on how to sustain existing product and how to keep your product in the market by supplying by providing the right amount of demand of a product and forecasting uh, the demand for the customer. In conclusion, the book is actually a good book. It's giving a very uh, practical guides, hands-on. It's straightforward, well-structured book. The main gap in this book is need to focus on how to make a new product and how to innovate for a new product and how where can we start and how can we end for any new product. So thank you so much and I appreciate your time. Thank you.